The Queen is back on top. Korean Air has reclaimed the title for the world's longest Boeing 747 route. From Seoul to Atlanta, a massive 7,172-mile journey, that's longer than Lufthansa's previous record holder to Buenos Aires. Flight KE-35 took off April 25, 2025. The 747-8 is being used to accommodate the additional traffic expected on the route during the peak 2025 summer season and takes over duties from the carrier's Boeing 777-300 fleet. However, the Jumbo only rules this route through summer 2025, then it's back to the 777. The route between Seoul Incheon and Atlanta Hartsfield International Airport comes in at 7,172 miles, overtaking Lufthansa's flights from Frankfurt to Buenos Aires, which covers just under that at 7,133 miles, a difference of just 39 miles.